Want to make $1,000 a week without any special skills? I'm about to show you 3 lazy AI side hustles that require zero experience but can seriously grow your bank account. And fast. Listen, we all know how tough it is to make extra cash these days. Between inflation eating away at our savings and wages barely budging, who doesn't want to pad their bank account a little, or a lot? The good news? You don't need another job to boost your income. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 ridiculously easy AI side hustles that anyone can do to make an extra $1,000 per week. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. We're talking about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to literally work smarter, not harder. These AI tools are like having a 24/7 assistant working for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to generate serious cash. Let's do this. Look, I get it. AI sounds intimidating, like something only tech geniuses can understand. But trust me, it's not. In fact, AI is making it easier than ever for regular people to make money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Think about it. AI tools are literally replacing hours of tedious work. Writing a blog post? ChatGPT can do it in minutes. Creating stunning artwork? Midjourney has got you covered. Need a professional voiceover? ElevenLabs can make it happen. No fancy recording studio required. And because these tools are so new, the competition is still relatively low. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor and start cashing in before everyone else catches on. Remember, $1,000 a week breaks down to just $143 per day. That's totally doable with the strategies I'm about to share. Okay, let's talk about the first AI hustle that can bring in some serious dough. AI-powered blog writing. This is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online. Now I know what you're thinking, blogging is dead, but that's a misconception. But hear me out. Blogging is far from dead. People still crave valuable information, and that's where you and ChatGPT come in. The demand for quality content is higher than ever. ChatGPT is an AI writing tool that can crank out high-quality blog posts in minutes. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips. Just give it a topic, some keywords, and boom, instant content. It's that simple and efficient. But here's the key. Focus on a specific niche. This is crucial for standing out in a crowded market. Don't be afraid to get hyper-specific. The more niche, the better. For example, instead of writing about travel, niche down to solo female travel in Southeast Asia. This makes your content unique and valuable. Or budget-friendly vegan travel tips. These specific topics attract a dedicated audience. The more targeted your content, the easier it is to attract a loyal audience. People love content that speaks directly to their interests. Once you've got your content, monetize it with affiliate links. This is where the real money comes in. Recommend products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on every sale you drive. It's a win-win. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to find affiliate programs. They offer a wide range of products to promote. Finally, you need a platform to host your blog. This is where your content will live. Medium is a beginner-friendly option, perfect for those just starting out. Or you can create your own website using WordPress. It offers more customization and control. It's easier than you think, and I'll link to some helpful resources in the description below. So, get started today and turn your blog into a cash cow with ChatGPT. Alright, on to hustle number 2, selling AI-generated art. This is an exciting and innovative way to make money online. Now before you say, but, I can't even draw a stick figure, that doesn't matter. You don't need to be an artist to create beautiful pieces. With AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 2, you don't need any artistic skills whatsoever. These tools are designed to make art creation accessible to everyone. These tools let you create stunning, unique artwork simply by typing in a text description. Just imagine the possibilities at your fingertips. Want a whimsical watercolor painting of a cat wearing a monocle? Done. The AI can handle it with ease. How about a photorealistic portrait of a robot dog walking through a futuristic cityscape? Easy peasy. The AI brings your wildest ideas to life. Once you've created some eye-catching designs, it's time to sell them online. This is where the fun really begins. Platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are perfect for this. They provide a marketplace for your unique creations. They allow you to upload your designs and have them printed on demand on a wide range of products like posters, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. The best part? You can reach a global audience. You don't have to deal with any inventory or shipping. This means less hassle and more time to create. Just set up your shop, upload your designs, and let the platform handle the rest. It's a seamless process. It's truly passive income at its finest. You can earn money while you sleep thanks to the power of AI and online marketplaces. For our final hustle, we're diving into the world of AI voiceovers. Now you might be thinking, isn't that just for professional voice actors? Nope. With AI-powered voiceover tools like ElevenLabs and Murph AI, anyone can create studio-quality voiceovers from the comfort of their own home. These tools offer a wide range of realistic voices, accents, and languages to choose from. You can even fine-tune the pitch, tone, and emotion of the voice to perfectly match your project. And the demand for voiceovers is huge. Think about it. YouTube videos, explainer videos, commercials, audiobooks, podcasts, video games, they all need voiceovers. And not everyone has the time, equipment, or budget to hire a professional voice actor. That's where you come in. Offer your AI voiceover services on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even specialized voiceover platforms like Voices.com. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can start booking gigs and raking in the cash. Okay, so I've given you 3 killer AI side hustles, but how do you actually scale them to $1,000 per week? Here's the plan. First, pick one hustle to focus on. Don't try to do everything at once. Master one thing, then expand later. Second, reinvest your profits. As you start making money, don't blow it all. Reinvest a portion back into your business to upgrade your tools, learn new skills, or outsource tasks. Speaking of outsourcing, automation is your best friend. Use tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and even Notion AI to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time. And as your business grows, consider hiring virtual assistants to help with things like customer service, social media management, or content creation. Remember, the key to scaling any business is leverage. Use your time wisely, automate what you can, and don't be afraid to delegate. Now, before you rush off and start your AI hustle empire, let's talk about some common pitfalls to avoid. First up, relying solely on free traffic. Yes, SEO and social media are important, but don't be afraid to invest in paid advertising to get your offerings in front of more eyeballs. Next, avoid using oversaturated prompts or copying content directly from others. Remember, AI tools are only as good as the input you give them. Get creative with your prompts, experiment with different tools and settings, and always strive to create unique, high-quality content. Finally, focus on a niche with actual demand. Don't just chase the latest trends. Do your research, identify a profitable niche, and become an expert in that area. Remember, the riches are in the niches. All right, let's talk timelines. I'm not going to promise you'll be making $1,000 per week overnight. Building a successful side hustle takes time, effort, and consistency. It's a journey, not a sprint. That said, here's a realistic timeline you can aim for, something that balances ambition with practicality. Week 1 to 2. Focus on setting up your chosen hustle. This is your foundation. This includes choosing a niche, creating accounts, and getting everything in place. Spend time familiarizing yourself with the tools you'll need to succeed, and setting up your online presence. This is crucial for visibility. Week 3. Aim to make your first $100. This is your first milestone. This could be from your first few sales, freelance gigs, or affiliate commissions. Every dollar counts. The important thing is to get that initial momentum going. Celebrate small wins. Week 4 to 5. Start scaling your efforts. Reinvest your profits, experiment with different strategies, and aim to reach the $500 per week mark. This is where things get exciting. Week 6 and beyond. With consistent effort and a bit of hustle, you'll see progress. Hitting that $1,000 per week goal is definitely within reach. Keep pushing forward. Remember, this is just a general timeline. Adjust as needed based on your progress. Your results may vary depending on your niche, your effort, and your strategies. And of course, a bit of luck never hurts. Stay optimistic. But the important thing is to stay consistent, keep learning, and never give up. Your hustle will pay off. Look, I know starting a side hustle can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the power of AI, you have all the tools you need to succeed, even if you're starting from scratch. You don't need a fancy degree, a tech background, or even a product to sell. All you need is the willingness to learn, the drive to succeed, and the courage to take action. So what are you waiting for? Pick one of these AI hustles, follow the steps I've outlined, and start building your $1,000 per week future today. I believe in you. Guys, this is huge. AI is literally changing the game for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. These tools are only going to get more powerful and accessible, so the opportunity is only going to get bigger. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips and strategies. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. I'm really passionate about helping you achieve financial freedom, so leave a comment below and let me know which AI hustle you're most excited to try. Let's crush it.